beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Bisayang Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for tonight's video, join me as we all celebrate my 2,000 subscribers. Finally, na-meet ko na rin siya, and right now we are gonna go on a dinner date with Beb. Yun. Ayan, so we're gonna go to Suncoast Hotel and Casino. We've been there one time, at least ako, I've been there only one time, and I saw their ads na meron silang oysters, and of course, sa mga nakakakilala sa akin sa pagbablog ko, I do love oysters, and hopefully, hindi ganun kadami yung tao ngayon kasi it's like a first come first serve type of dining, and hindi ako pwedeng maka-reserve online or anywhere else. So let's go check that place out, or else mauuwi na naman tayo doon sa ating suking restaurant. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are here at Suncoast Hotel and Casino. Whew, lamig. Let's check the place out and see if makakakuha tayo ng table right now for the oyster bar. I think it's called Briggs Oyster. So let's go. Let's try to find the Briggs Oyster Bar. Here, and actually it's pretty nice, and kala namin bar lang siya na bar, but it's actually a restaurant. Not too big, but very clean, and parang bago sa paningin namin. So actually, so far, ambience-wise, it's nice, huh? I like it here. So, we'll see kung yung mga o-orderin natin is masarap. Ang problema lang dito is yung location. It's a little far from where we live, but let's see if it's worth the trip.
Oysters.
Tabasco and more lemon.
siya guys. Bitin ka dun sa lobster mo kagabi. Hotel din mo kinalawa. Hindi mo kinato yung ano.
Alright guys, so lapit. We just ate Briggs oyster here at Suncoast Hotel and Casino, and so far, I mean, for a first time customer here in this place, it's really good and affordable din naman. At saka yung quality ng food nila is fantastic, so I'll recommend this place. And right now, let's walk around the casino and see what we can find. Starting to get cold. Lalo na sa may entrance tayo. Lamig. So, so we are finally home from Suncoast Hotel and Casino, and we had that sumptuous dinner from Briggs Oysters. It was really, hiningal pa ako, kakaakyat ko lang. It's really a nice experience for us Tsaka first time namin na pumunta doon and the food was amazing. Yung oysters nila malalaki yung size and yung chupino nila was really really good. I would say this will be my second favorite place to go if I really want some oysters, especially yung chupino nila ang sarap. And of course, we also ordered the rainbow roll, which is one of my favorite sushi rolls. And yun. Whew. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you so much for being there for me, always supporting my channel. Naka 2,000 subscribers din po tayo sa wakas. And sana marami pa pong sumubaybay sa channel natin. I may not be able to upload as much as I can or as much as I was doing before, but I know that you being there is good enough for me to continue and keep going. I just have some other stuff going on with my life that I just need to fix and also need to take care of course. But that doesn't mean na talagang totally nawawala na si Bisayang Ilocana. But I do have some other good things naman na nangyayari. And it's really great. It's been an amazing year. I had a lot of blessings. Maraming blessing talaga na dumating sa akin, especially this week. So yun po, sobrang blessed and grateful ni Bisayang Ilocana at lalong-lalo na po para sa or dahil sa inyong lahat. So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page is also Bisayang Ilocana. Yun po. So again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for the continued support. Love you guys. Bye.